You say Easter eggs? You got Easter eggs? These are shovels for you to use in the dirt when you go to the beach. Use this one to dig, this one to rake, and this one to sift. To get all the stuff out when you sift through the dirt.
Oh. Snowman! Snowman!
Extreme close.
Snowman!
What's in there? Ooh.
I got me.
I got me. Oh.